In this video, I'll show you how to access and use Microsoft Copilot as a learning tool, not a shortcut to learning. By the end of this video, you should feel more confident navigating Copilot's features and understanding how to use them responsibly. This is the first video in our Copilot video series. If you'd like to learn more about studying with Copilot, be sure to check out the rest of the videos in our YouTube playlist, linked in the description below. So how do you access your Sheridan Copilot account? You can access Microsoft Copilot through a web browser or through the M365 Copilot app using your Sheridan login. If you have trouble signing in on the web, you should just use the app included in your Microsoft app package. You can download the app by M365 in your web browser. Sheridan IT Services can help you if needed. Once you open Copilot in the app or web browser, you'll see a few key tools. The main message area is where you type prompts and chat with Copilot. You can also attach files using the plus button below the message bar. This is useful for sharing things such as your written work or course readings. Adding files gives Copilot more context, which helps it generate more accurate responses. On the left-hand side, you'll find the sidebar. You can search past chats, view saved content in the library, or generate images in the Create section. Keep in mind that AI-generated images may contain errors or formatting issues. Finally, in the top right corner, you'll see an icon with a hat and glasses. This lets you switch to incognito mode where chats aren't saved. Now let's talk about prompting effectively. When using generative AI, the quality of the response depends on the quality of your prompt. Strong prompts include three things: your context, a role for Copilot, and clear instructions. First, let's start with context. This might include what you're working on, your course or subject level, your current understanding, and the format you want, like an explanation, example, summary, or quiz. Next, let's give Copilot a role. You might ask it to act as a tutor, writing coach, or practice partner. Assigning a role helps Copilot match the tone and level of detail you need. Finally, clearly explain what you want Copilot to do. The more specific you are, the better the results. Always include that you want Copilot to support your learning, not to do the work for you. And remember, you can refine responses by asking follow-up questions, requesting clarification, or asking Copilot to expand on a specific point. Now that you know how to use Copilot effectively, it's just as important to talk about using it responsibly. When you use Copilot through your Sheridan account, built-in data protection helps reduce privacy and copyright risks. However, Copilot should never replace your own thinking. It's a learning support tool, not a shortcut to doing the work for you. Here are some examples of what not to do. Copy and paste whole sentences from Copilot into assignments or presentations. Ask Copilot to provide answers or solution steps for graded work. Have Copilot directly edit or polish work you're submitting. Ask Copilot to create full slides or PowerPoint presentations for graded work. In these situations, Copilot stops supporting your learning and starts doing the work for you, which is considered an academic integrity violation. Remember, you are still responsible for the accuracy, originality, and understanding behind any graded work. You should be doing most of the work yourself and be able to explain how AI tools like Copilot support your learning. Before using Copilot, always check your professor's guidelines. Expectations around AI use can vary depending on the course and the assignment. It's also a good idea to save your Copilot chats, even when it's not required. This helps show how Copilot supported your learning rather than replacing your work. You can do this by taking screenshots or copying your chats into a separate document. If you'd like to learn more about academic integrity or academic integrity violations, you can contact Sheridan's Academic Integrity Office at aif@sheridancollege.ca or explore their resources on Sheridan Central. Copilot can be a powerful learning tool when it's used responsibly. If you'd like more help with Copilot or writing effective prompts, you can book an AI prompting appointment with a Sheridan tutor through Tutor Ocean. In the next video, we'll build on what we covered and explore ways to strengthen your prompt engineering skills. Be sure to check out the full playlist on YouTube, linked in the video description. Thanks for watching!